Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All educational videos and tutorials. In today's video we are going to see how to delete all blocks in Scratch. As you can see in this image, when you have any number of the blocks on the screen, on the coding screen which you will use to code to connect blocks, Scratch blocks in Scratch, sometimes you want to start from the Scratch, in the Scratch, and delete everything from the screen all at once and start blank. You can do that also by making or creating a new file, but sometimes you don't want to do that because you have, for example, one sprite, one character which you have tried to code and it didn't work. You have lots of code in it. You have to start that one only, that one from scratch, but other characters are okay, environment, enemies and stuff like that. So all you want to do is delete everything from one sprite, and all you have to do is right click, as you can see in this image, pick delete 5 blocks in my case because I had 5 of those on my screen, but you can have as many as you want. You will get one more warning window from Scratch just to be sure that you are 100% sure about deleting all the blocks. Click on OK and it will bring you to this. So that was like in theory. Let's see that in practice. In previous video we have used this one, clean up blocks, but let's say okay, this is all cool and everything, but none of these blocks is working for me. I don't want any of those. Let me just click anywhere on my white area of my coding window and pick delete 7 blocks. So delete all blocks and I will get this guy here now, warning window, which says okay, are you sure, like, do you want to delete them? And don't worry, even if I press OK and I change my mind again, so oh, maybe I was wrong, what can we do? We can just use what we have learned before and click undo, and they're all here again. So undo, redo will help you from time to time to go back or forth in your time management, but also cleaning or deleting blocks from time to time helps even more. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.